Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to save your Claude AI conversations as PDF for easy sharing or record keeping. First, log into your Claude AI account and open the conversation you want to export. Make sure all the messages you need are visible on the screen. Next, look for the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a small menu symbol near the top right corner of the chat. Click it to open the options menu, and there you'll see the export options. If your account has built-in export tools, select export as PDF. You'll then be prompted to choose a safe location on your computer. If you don't see a direct PDF export option, you can still do it manually. Simply press Ctrl P on Windows to open the print menu, then change the printer destination to save as PDF. Finally, click Save, choose your folder, and your Claude AI chat will be saved as a neatly formatted PDF file. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.